This section is the on your own section of lesson 4.8. We're going to go ahead and look at number 4. So I'm always going to look for multiples of the divisor. What is the divisor in number 4? 9. 9. And I'm always going to look at these two first numbers right here. Here, let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to look at 19, and I'm thinking of a multiple of 9 that's just under 19. 18, yeah. And because I have that extra place value in the 8, I'm going to put a 0 there. Then I can take 18 tenths for my answer. Okay, so I have to think, all right, 180 equals 9 times what? What was it? 2 tenths, right? Because it's 180. So 20, okay? So now that I take that out, 8 minus 0 is what? 8. And 19 minus 18 is? 1. Okay, 18 equals 9 times what? 2. So I just do that, and then I figured it's 18, so 18 minus 18 is 0. We have no remainder. Now to figure out what my quotient is, I'm just going to add, I'm going to change my color. I'm just going to add these numbers. So 20 plus 2 is?
22.
Ta-da! That's your answer. I know. It's fantastic, isn't it? Okay, so that's how you do this. Now let's go ahead and submit. Oh, let's add another picture. Let's try your homework. Now this is the homework for 4.8. I'm going to go ahead, let's pick number 3 and 6 and 11. 3, 6, and 11. Okay, so again, first step is I'm going to look for a multiple of the divisor. What is the divisor for number 3? 5. Okay, so a multiple of 5 that's less than 6.
50.
Okay, I have 3 digits. So should I do 50 or
500?
500. I'm going to do 500. That's a good one. So 500 here, and I take that divisor. So 500 equals 5 times what?
100.
Yes, it is 100. I hope you're all writing this with me. Okay, very good. So let's take that chunk out by subtracting. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, I took a huge chunk out. Now I have to think of a multiple of 5 that's going to be less than what? 13. It's going to be less than 13. 10. And I do still have 3 digits, so instead of 10 it would be 100. Okay, so I'm going to take 100 out. So 100 equals 5 times what?
20.
20. Very good. Okay, so let's take that chunk out. 130 minus 100 is what?
30.
30. Okay, oh, are you guys seeing it? Okay, 30 equals 5 times what?
6.
6. Okay, and it's exactly 30, so we have 0 remainders. And then we just, I'm going to change my color again. Then we're just going to add all of these quotients. So 100 plus 20 plus 6 is?
126.
You guys are amazing, 126. Good job. And that's how you do it. Okay, let's look at number, you know what, 6 is really close to 3. Let's look at, how about 4? Does that work?
Yeah.
Okay, 4. I'm going to actually line it up this the same way so that you guys don't get confused. So 3 divided by 246. Oh my goodness. What number am I looking at? 24, and and we're looking for multiples of 3 that are 24 or just under it, right? Is 24 a multiple of 3?
Yes.
Yes, so I'm going to do 24 or 240.
240.
Because there are
3 digits.
Yes, so 240. Take that big old chunk out. Oh, this is going to be awesome. So 3 times what was 240? 80, right? 8 tens. So AT, because there's that 0 there. Okay, so 240 gone. So 246 minus 240 is 6. Perfect. So 6 equals 3 times what? Right? Would you all agree? 2. And then I'm just going to add those. 80 plus 2 is?
82.
Ta-da! Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go look at number 11. Okay, Hector, let's read it together and do cube. Ready? Go. Hector saved $726 in 6 months. He saved the same amount each month. How much did Hector save each month? I'm going to change my color to yellow. So let's line it up the same way. I'm going to use my space over here since I don't have any on the other side. So 726. Oh, it has a dollar sign. I really don't want to forget. I'm going to just write my dollar sign over here. Okay? So I don't forget later. All right, 72. All right, I'm looking for multiples of
6.
that are and just under. I don't want to go over unless I was just estimating. So, oh my, we could do 600. Do you guys want to stick with 10?
Yeah.
Just to show that it works? Okay, so let's do 600. So 600 equals 6 times what?
100.
100. Good job. Okay, let's take that big chunk out by
Subtracting.
subtracting. Good. So 6 minus 0 is? Okay, 6. And 2 minus 0 is? 2. And 7 minus 6 is?
1.
Okay, all right. Got another multiple of 6, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
12.
Okay, we're looking at these first 2 numbers here. Is 12 actually a multiple of 6?
Yes.
So I'm going to look for 12 or 120?
120.
Because there are 3 digits left. Yeah, so let's do 120 equals 6 times what? 20. You nailed it. 20. Oh, that's not grabbing my 0. That's a 0 there. Okay, 120 minus 126 minus 120 is 6. So this should be 6 right here. Oh my goodness. 6 equals 6 times what? 1. So we are going to add 100 plus 20 plus 1.
121.
Oh, what is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
And because I wrote my dollar sign over here, I know that it's going to be $121. Did I label it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it said how much did Hector save each month, and it was asking for money. So we have our answer. I'm going to circle it so it's easy to correct. You guys are going to do great. Just remember to take the big chunks of the multiples of the divisors, and you'll do great.